Alright, folks. Lava is back at it again, shaking up the market, this time with the Agni 3. After the smashing success of Agni 2, Lava is now coming for the 20,000 to 25,000 Indian rupees segment with something unexpected. A phone that delivers power-packed features like you've never seen before at this price point. Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce to you the Lava Agni 3, the only phone in this range offering not one, but a dual AMOLED display with mind-blowing multifunctional capabilities and an action button that takes this phone to a whole new level. But here is the big question: should you drop 20,000 Indian rupees on this phone? Well, let's break it down in a short and sweet way for you. You've already seen what comes in the box, and let me tell you, no surprises here. Lava gives you everything you need. But here is the real kicker: you also get a 1-year free phone replacement if there is any hardware failure. Yes, you heard that right. Lava is not messing around when it comes to trust, especially if you have been hesitant with the brand before. Plus, with offers, you can even grab this beauty for under 20,000 Indian rupees. Now let's jump straight into the phone itself. Premium looks, a glass build with a matte finish so it feels solid in the hand. And guess what? No smudges. It is available in 2 stunning colors, but the white one really caught my eye. What about you? Comment below and let me know which one you would pick. But hold on. The star of the show is that secondary display. Yes, you heard that right. On the back of the phone, next to the camera module, is a 1.7-inch mini AMOLED display. And it's not just for show, people. This mini display lets you do so much: control music, adjust brightness, check notifications, and even use it to snap selfies with the rear camera. Yup, you can take high-resolution selfies with that stunning rear camera. Lava just made vlogging and content creation a whole lot easier, especially for those of us who love high-quality photos and videos. But that's not all. You can answer calls, set timers, track your steps, and even customize a cool charging animation. It is like having a mini assistant on the back of your phone. And honestly, I love it. What do you think about this dual display feature? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, because I'm personally obsessed with this camera trick. One thing to note, though, with a glass build and dual displays, the phone does lean towards the heavier side. But thanks to its curved edges, it is still super comfortable to hold and use. Lava didn't stop there. This phone comes with dual speakers powered by Dolby Atmos, and trust me, the sound is loud, clear, and detailed. The haptics are also surprisingly good. And hey, it's even got an IP64 rating for dust and splash resistance. And here is a cherry on top: the action button. With a single tap, you can take a screenshot, double tap to turn on the flashlight, and long press to open the camera. It is super functional, and you can even snap pictures using this button. Quick, easy, and just plain cool. Now let's not forget the front. Lava didn't hold back here either. The Agni 3 features a 6.5-inch curved AMOLED display with FHD+ resolution and HDR support. The colors are vibrant, the details are sharp, and watching content is a total treat. Whether you're binging Netflix or scrolling through YouTube, this display has got you covered. And yes, out of the box, it runs on the latest Android 13 with an almost stock Android experience. It's clean, fast, and super optimized. Plus, you get 3 years of major updates and 4 years of security patches. So this phone isn't just about cool hardware, it is built to last. So, should you buy the Lava Agni 3? Well, if you're looking for a feature-packed phone with dual displays, AMOLED screens, a solid build, and performance that doesn't break the bank, then yes, this phone is an absolute steal. For under 20,000 Indian rupees, you're getting features that some higher-end phones can't even offer. If this phone impressed you, go ahead and hit that like, share, and subscribe button, and let us keep the tech convo going in the comments. What is your favorite feature of the Agni 3 and are you planning to grab one? Let me know. Until next time, stay techy, stay awesome.